What if you could make an extra 20 every single day using free AI tools? That's 600 a month, just from simple tasks you can do in your free time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. The first method is content writing. Use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. Many people are looking for quick content online. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. A single gig can easily earn you 10 to 20. Next is AI-generated images. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, or Canva's AI feature allow you to create logos, posters, and thumbnails in minutes. Sell these designs on marketplaces like Etsy or offer them directly to small businesses. Another easy way is writing YouTube video scripts or captions using AI. Many creators pay for this service. You just ask ChatGPT to write a 500 to 700 word script on a given topic, deliver it, and get paid. Finally, use AI for microtasks. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can generate product reviews, summaries, or emails. People need fast results, and you can deliver them in minutes. Do 2 or 3 small jobs a day, and that's your 20. And there you go, simple, beginner-friendly ways to make 20 a day with AI tools. No special skills needed, just your time and creativity. If you want more step-by-step guides on making money with AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to start."